Hi, my name is Bandhavya and I've been living in Bangalore. My whole family comes to Shekar Eye Hospital for like the regular eye checkup, and I've personally come here for the last couple of years. And during every eye visit, since I had very high power, I've asked my Dr. Radhika Torgal, for whether I could go for a laser surgery. And she suggested me to wait for like 2-3 years to see if my eye power is stable and then go for the surgery. So this year, since my eye power was stable from the last 2 consecutive visits, she suggested that it's a good time to go for the surgery. And after running a couple of tests, she had suggested me to have epilastic surgery. And so I got my blood test done the same day, and we scheduled for my surgery the very next day. And coming to on the day of surgery, the whole process took less than 2 hours. Like I came at around 2 p.m. and the surgery was done, and I could go back home by 4 o'clock. So each eye took around 10 to 15 minutes for the surgery, and right after the surgery was done, I was able to clearly see, but I had to wear some glasses and had some precautions to take care of, and I was a bit sensitive to the light. Apart from this, whenever I had any sorts of issues, like any sort of pain in my eye or blurriness, I could come to the hospital anytime, and I would promptly get to visit my doctor, and she would suggest me whether there's any precautions to be taken, or she would tell me whether it's a normal thing that happens right after the operation. So the whole management was really good in regards to this, because every time I had to visit the hospital for any sort of follow-up or any sort of checkup, there wasn't much waiting period. There was like a clear process on what had to be done when, and I could just, once I'm done with the normal checkup, I could just go visit my doctor for a consultation, and she would take her time to explain and answer all my doubts. So initially, before getting the surgery, I had a lot of questions whether the surgery would be done properly, or whether I'll have some sort of issues in a couple of years, any sort of thing. And she sat me down and explained everything and told me that there won't be any problems, and suggested that in case there's a problem, what would exactly happen. So I really liked the way she explained it, and even during the surgery, whenever I had some sort of discomfort, she made sure to talk to me and see that I'm very comfortable during the whole surgery. So I would definitely recommend Dr. Radhika for laser surgery. And coming to the hospital, again, as I said, the management was pretty prompt, and they had a clear-cut view on what to be done when. Also, the reason I chose this hospital, even though I'm working in Pune, is because my family had, again, as I said, my family had been coming here, and a couple of them had the surgeries done over here. But at the same time, this is one of the only hospital that completely focuses on eye. It has a whole building and the whole set of doctors who only look at eye and only perform surgeries or checkups related to eye. So that gave me the sort of reassurance I needed that I would be taken well care of, and I'm happy to say that I was. And right now my vision's clear, and I'm able to do all my daily activities without any sort of issues. I can go swimming or any outdoor activities without having to use glasses. So overall, this is a really good hospital, and I would recommend it for anyone who's looking for any sort of eye surgeries. Thank you.